For this, I've got my Wayne Rooney hat on, God forbid. Anyway, this is the job we've just done. We've taken this from here, a line from here, we had a socket there, and we've come through down to here and put it here. But to do it, we had to come past 4-inch beams and horizontal lines to get to here. And we just finished this, and that's just gone in now. So now we've got 3 here, which is the countertop height, and we've got to fill that in. That goes behind the cabinet, and I'm going to put this piece back, which is this piece here that I cut out. We're going to put this back, give it a wipe over, put that back in there, put some supports at the back, screw that in, fill it, and then this goes behind the cabinet. So that's that job done. Took a bit of time to do because of getting up in the loft and sorting out the wiring, and then coming across here, drilling this beam here and passing down to here. Took a bit of time. Now this one we don't have to move now, because this will be behind the 75mm cabinet. That's where the oven's going, that's where the 40mm going. So we don't have to move this, but what we do have to do is put a plug in here somewhere so that we can plug it in here, pass the wire through into the back of this cabinet, which will have the oven with sufficient lead to pull it out. There's no room at the back of this to put the plug there, so we have to move it over here, but that's okay. So that's the next job we've got to do, is put this into there. This is a 200 volt. It only has 100, so this is a big, because of the oven obviously we've got to go there. And then I think this is the rail that we've put up so far. We're just in the process of drilling and fixing this to the wall, and then we're going to hang these cabinets on there. I'm going to finish off these now one by one and hang them, adjust the feet at the bottom, because they've got different feet on these to the ones that we'd see in the catalogue. So we're going to hang these on the wall, and then we'll come all the way along here, then we'll start going, we'll put the rail on here, and then we'll hang these. The problem here is, and we'll point it out later, is this bloody, if you want to come over here, camera girl, and just take a picture of this, this is the problem here. It's the water and the drain to the sink. They come through the floor, not out of the wall. So we've got to actually physically either lift this unit over the top and drill holes, or you know, get a tank cutter and cut the holes in the back, or we've got to cut slots and then slide it in and cut a big hole in the back of the board, which I don't want to do. But anyway, that's the next job. But we're progressing along nicely. And like I say, I've got my Wayne Rooney hat on in celebration of the win, 1-9 over Cardiff. Despite the fact I don't like the guy, I support the Blues, not the manager. So anyway, that's it, Steve. I think that's everything. That's as much as we can do at the moment. So now we're going to go and have some lunch, and then we'll move on to the next job. Easy. Take care, stay safe, bye.